Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket, and we have a new OCR model release, that is Nanonets OCR2. The first version of Nanonet OCR was great, and now they have come up with an even stronger model. And here you can see what all it can do. Latex equation recognition. If the input is like this research paper, the output looks something like this, which is absolutely correct. Intelligent image descriptions are there. You can input it a graph, as you can see, and the output comes out a three-panel line chart comparing the ignition, so it is able to explain the image as well. Signature detection and isolation. So if you input such a particular transcript, the output looks something like this, which is amazing again, as you can see here. Watermark extraction. Similar to signature detection, the model can detect and extract watermarks too. Here you can see that it is able to extract all the text, ignoring the watermark. Small checkbox handling. If you see such checkbox like this in your invoice, it is able to extract that too. Select. Complex table extractions. These are complex tables present, and the model is able to extract these two as well. Flow chart and organizational chart. This is very interesting. Extract Mermaid code for flow chart and organizational chart. So it is able to extract something like this is amazing, I would say. Multilingual, yeah, that's for sure. It supports English, Chinese, French, Spanish, Portuguese, German, Italian, Russian, Japanese, Korean, Arabic, and more. Visual question answering can also be done. So the model looks interesting to see. It is a wholesome model for OCR, and here you can see that these are the win rate versus nano OCR and lose rate. So the previous version and the current version, the models are looking great. Here you can see the Gemini 2.5 flash comparison with the OCR2 model. Now, as you have seen the examples for Nanonet OCR2, the model is open source. You can check it out on Hugging Face. Let's discuss a bit about the details of the model. Nanonets OCR2, smarter OCR for messy reality of documents. It covers the most number of activities OCR extraction for documents. What is it? Reads, understands, and explains documents. Build on visual language models. Turn raw images into structured readable content. Key features: converts markdown into structural tags, perform visual Q&A, handle latex, multilingual, describes images with structured captions, recognizes signatures, watermarks, checkboxes, generates mermaid code for flowchart. This is very interesting. How it works: it is trained on synthetic data training, human annotated fine tuning, and built on Qwen 2.5 VL3B model as base. Training pages 3 million plus and can support 8 plus languages. Why it matters? I think unstructured data is a major bottleneck for LM driven workflows. OCR2 reconstruct this for us. Talking about the benchmark performance, the model is quite good. As you can see, it's performing better than dots.ocr. Talking about the use cases, obviously is academia, finance, healthcare, and enterprises as well. It can be used anywhere. The model size is not that huge. So, and I think the previous version was quite stable with most of the use cases. So, Nanonets OCR2 should be your go-to model. Try it yourself. I think the demo is free to avail use. The model is available on Hugging Face too, so you can try it out. There are multiple versions of Nanonets OCR2 that are released. You can check it out on Hugging Face. With this, it's a wrap. I hope you try out the model.